Chapter 2. Choosing the location. Here are some general guidelines when deciding where to install a sensor. If you're using only one sensor, install it on the ground floor of the building. Consult with your Safehub representative if you're installing multiple sensors. Install the sensor into a stud on or near a perimeter wall, or on a solid wall or column, no more than 12 inches or 30 centimeters above the floor. The sensor should be near a power outlet, ideally one that's connected to an emergency power and not controlled by a switch or a timer. Place the sensor in a dry, dust-free location. For humid or dusty environments, contact Safehub for our all-weather sensor. Because the sensors use cellular connection, make sure your location has good connectivity before final installation. To check this, plug the sensor into an outlet near your chosen location. The power light will blink for a few seconds, then all 3 lights will turn on. If the cellular light turns green within 15 minutes, you've got a good connection. If it stays red or yellow, the sensor is not connected to the cellular network and you'll need to find another location. Avoid putting the sensor behind large pieces of equipment or inside cabinets, which can interfere with cellular connectivity.